everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you an awesome video. This is how you make DIY erasers. You don't have to buy them from the store anymore, you can make your own. So for this you're going to need some Sculpey oven bake clay. I have yellow, pink, white, purple, blue and black. I also have some clay sculpting tools. That's all you're going to need. So let's get started. First of all, I'm taking some of the yellow clay. I'm cutting a segment off. I want to roll this into a ball. Perfect. Now I'm taking some black clay. I'm going to use the tool to cut a mouth, so I'm pressing my black flat. Now use the tool to create the perfect shape. Get rid of any excess. Set that aside and now take some of your white clay. Again, I'm pressing it flat and using my sculpting tool to create a shape that I'm now going to use as teeth. Put it in the middle. Put it in the middle on top of the black. Perfect. Now let's stick it on our yellow ball. He's super happy, but we need to add some eyes. I'm using black to do this. Perfect! A smiley face. Set that aside and now let's make our next eraser. Now I'm going to make a minion. So again, I'm starting with yellow. I'm rolling it into a sausage shape to get the main body of the minion. Now I'm taking some blue. I want to make this flat so that it will sit around the base of my minion. Smooth down any edges, just like this. You can use your sculpting tool to help. Now let's add some of the detail. I need to create a strap for the goggles. I'm doing that using black and placing it around the top of the minion's head. I also need to make one eye. I'm trimming it with black, just like this. And then putting a black dot in the center. Lay that on top of your goggle strap. Don't forget to add a mouth. And some hair. Looking good! Finally, I want him to be sitting on some feet. So I'm creating a black base. Don't forget the arms. I'm using yellow and making a spaghetti shape. They just go on the side. Perfect! That's our minion done. Now I'm going to make my last eraser. I want a green colour, but I didn't have that, so I'm using some blue and yellow mixed together. This makes a perfect green for what I need. Now I've got bright pink. I've got a long spaghetti shape and I'm rolling it up. I'm going to make a cupcake. Keep rolling it up. Perfect. Set that aside and now take your purple clay. I'm going to add some sprinkles. Just like this. I'm going to add loads of purple sprinkles all over. Keep adding them. Now I'm taking my green. I want to make my cupcake case out of the green, so I'm adding a zigzag edge all the way around my circle that I've made. Now I'm going to sit my cupcake in and push up the edges, just like this. Get rid of any excess and smooth down the edges. If you'd like to make a cupcake exactly like this, why don't you check out our Play-Doh video, and you can make one out of Play-Doh as well. Now use your sculpting tool to create some texture on the side. Cute! Now what we need to do is to bake them in the oven at 120 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. They won't look any different when they've come out, but they're going to be harder. And this means that you can use them as an eraser. Look at this! Isn't that awesome? Your very own erasers, perfect for going back to school. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own polymer clay. Don't these look great? So let's get started. You're going to need some corn flour, PVA glue, distilled vinegar, some baby oil, and finally some food colouring. Let's start by putting 1 cup of corn flour into a bowl, followed by another cup of PVA glue. We're now going to put 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of baby oil in. Now we're going to mix it all together. Make sure it's a smooth consistency. Once you're happy with the consistency, we're going to take the bowl and put it into the microwave. We're going to microwave it for 15 to 30 seconds, then take it out and stir it. We're going to repeat this process several times, each time for 15 to 30 seconds. We want to keep doing this until the polymer clay starts to stand up on its own. Perfect! This consistency is just great. Now it's time to go and knead it. I'm dusting my surface with some of the corn flour. This means it won't stick whilst we knead the dough. Let's take the clay and put it onto the work surface. It might be tricky getting it out of the bowl, but try and get out as much as possible. Use your fingers. Now it's time to knead the dough. Perfect! It's looking great. I'm now going to take my hands and put some lotion on them. This is just simple moisturizer. It means that my hands won't stick to the clay. I'm kneading it some more, without the flour on the surface. And perfect, it doesn't stick. Now it's time to colour the clay, so you want to cut it up into sections. We want as many sections as you want colours. I'm going to make a rainbow. 7 balls, 1 for each colour. Now we're going to lightly dust some baking paper. Take 1 of the balls and add some food colouring to it. Knead the clay and work the colour through. Super cute! Isn't this a great colour? Now let's do that with all our other colours. But you can use whatever colour you like. Here are all of the colours I have done. And there you have it! Doesn't the polymer clay look amazing? You can shape it however you want. Great work, everyone! And that's how you make your very own polymer clay. Thanks for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you check out all of our other videos and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!